A very good morning to everyone. Miss Rita here. Children, in today's video of Max Class 6, Chapter number 13, Profit and Loss, we are going to see practice set number 32. Children, in previous video we have learned how to calculate profit and loss. But in this video we are going to learn the first thing is total cost price. Now, what is total cost price? Children, in trading, all expenses incurred on an article before it can be sold have to be added to the cost price of the articles. That is called total cost price of that articles. Our practice set number 32, question number 1, it is given from a wholesaler. Santosh bought 400 eggs for rupees 1500 and spent rupees 300 on transport. 50 eggs fell down and broke. He sold the rest at rupees 5 each. Did he make profit or loss? How much? Here Santosh brought 400 eggs for rupees 1500 and transport charges he has paid 300. So here first of all we will find the total cost price of egg. From that 400 egg, 50 eggs fell down. So how much egg is remain now? 350. The selling price of one egg was 5 rupees. So here our selling price will be 350 multiplied by 5. After getting selling price, we will compare the cost price and selling price. Solution, the total cost price is cost price of egg plus transport. Egg price was given 1500 and transport was given 300. So total is 1800. Remaining egg means out of 400, 50 egg fell down and broken. So now how many eggs are remain? 350. Selling price of one egg was given 5 rupees. Then selling price of 350 egg equal to 350 multiplied by 5. You will do the rough work. 350 multiplied by 5. We get 1750. Our cost price is 1800 and selling price is 1750. Here cost price is more than the selling price. So Santosh suffer a loss. So we will put this formula for loss equal to cost price minus selling price. 1800 minus 1750. Here we get how much? 50 rupees. It means Santosh incurred loss of rupees 50. Now, question number 2. Abraham brought goods worth rupees 50,000 and spent rupees 7,000 on transport and octroi. If he sold the goods for rupees 65,000, did he made a profit or loss? How much? Solution. First of all, we will calculate the total cost price equal to cost price of good plus transport and octroi. Cost price was given of goods 50,000 and octroi was given 7,000. It means total cost price is how much? 57,000. The selling price is how much is given? 65,000. So here selling price is more than the cost price. It means there is profit. We'll put the formula for profit equal to SP minus CP. SP means selling price, CP means cost price. 65,000 minus 57,000. So here we get how much? 8,000. It means Abraham made a profit of rupees 8,000. Now children, question number 3 is omitted. We'll see the question number 4. Kusumtai bought 80 cookers at rupees 700 each. Transport cost her rupees 1280. If she want a profit of rupees 18,000, what should be the selling price per cooker? Now student, here profit is given and the cost price of each cooker is given 700 and Kusumtai brought how many cookers? 80 cookers. First we will calculate the total cost price of cooker. And the profit is already given. So here we have to find what? Selling price per cooker, means each cooker. Now the cost price of one cooker is given 700. Then therefore the cost price of 80 cooker means 700 multiplied by 80. So here you will do right side rough work with your pencil. 700 multiplied by 80, we get 56,000. Total cost price of cooker is cost price of cooker plus transport. So we get the cost price of cooker is 56,000 and transport charges is paid 1280. So addition of this is rupees 57,280. And Kusumtai want profit of rupees 18,000. Profit equal to SP minus CP. The profit is given 18,000 equal to SP we don't have minus CP. CP means cost price, we have 57,280. Now 57,280 will go to the left side, become plus. It means selling price equal to 57,280 plus 18,000. So our selling price is how much, student? 75,280. Selling price of 80 cooker is given 75,280, but here we have to find the selling price of one cooker. So we will divide 75,280 by 80. So here we get answer 941. It means Kusumtai should sell each cooker at rupees 941. Now question number 5. Indrajit bought 10 refrigerators at rupees 12,000 each and spent 5,000 on transport. From how much should he sell each refrigerator in order to make profit of rupees 20,000? The cost price of one refrigerator is given 12,000, but Indrajit purchased 10 refrigerators, means 12,000 multiplied by 10, we get 1,20,000. Total cost price of refrigerator is cost price of refrigerator plus transport 1,20,000 plus 5,000. So here we get 1,25,000. Now student, Indrajit want profit of rupees 20,000. But profit formula is SP minus CP. Profit is given 20,000 and SP is not given, and the CP is given 1,25,000. So SP equal to 1,25,000 plus 20,000, we get 1,45,000. So this is the selling price of 10 refrigerator, but we want the selling price of one refrigerator, means we will divide 1,45,000 by 10. So we get what? 14,500. Therefore, Indrajit should sell each refrigerator at rupees 14,500. And question number 6 is omitted. I hope you have understood this exercise. And thank you for watching this video.